Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this French-inspired makeup look. French women are known to keep their skin very skin-like, glowing, sexy with a pop of color on their lips. You can choose the color that you want. Today I was drawn to choosing a red, which is like the classic French girl look. I've kept the look very minimal, very true to what French women are drawn to using on their skin. Let's get into the tutorial. I have sunscreen on my face. I have used sunscreen on my face at least an hour before now. But before I start my makeup, I always top it off with an extra layer of moisturizer. I'm using the Effortless one. This is the best if you have dry skin, not too much, just to pea size, and massage that very well onto my skin. This moisturizer is very suitable for dry, mature skin. If you are oily, you may not like it. I can't talk for oily skin people because I don't know how it's going to feel or how is it going to sit on an oily skin base. So this is the Embryoless Leg Concentrate. See how much I've used it. I already have a backup of it. I love it so much. Me and my husband both love using this moisturizer. Anyone can use it, even children can use it. It's a very gentle, skin calming moisturizer. You can use it to even remove your makeup. Once you have your moisturizer on, give it a minute to settle in, okay? Do not go directly into the next step. Today, my next step is going to be an illuminator, okay? And I'm going to show you how beautifully the illuminator is going to help your skin look more luminous without you having to add too many layers of concealers or foundation. You can absolutely skip the foundation if you want. This is also an alternative to the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter. If that is too expensive and you want a similar luminous finish, then you can try this trick. You can take any strobe cream. I love the MAC strobe cream, but you get many luminizer creams or liquids in the market. You can pick up whatever suits your budget. Take a drop of that. It's a moisturizer. The strobe cream is literally a moisturizer, and I'm going to go in all over my face with it. And what this is going to do for me is add a very beautiful veil of glow and make those shadow areas look less sunken in, okay? It's a very thin formulation. You can see a sheen on my hand and a very thin sheen on my face. The combination of a moisturizer and a luminizer cream or a liquid is phenomenal, guys. Just try it once. Especially I've seen for aging skin, for mature skin. If you feel like your glow is just dimming out throughout the day, this is going to make sure that you are glowing all day and doesn't make your skin oily or sticky or anything of that sort. It is pretty hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. So I'll give this one a minute to settle into my skin. I'm going to move in with color 5.5 medium all over my face, especially around my nose, mouth, covering my acne with it. Just to balance out, I'm doing the same and a little bit on my forehead. That's it, nothing more. And then I'm going to blend it with my brush first, and then on top of it, to even it out, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender. So I'm starting with my nose area. And mind you, you need to be very gentle with your tapping motions because the harder you push, the more product is going to come out into your brush, and you don't want that. You just want whatever you've put in your on your skin to go and become your second skin. You don't want to lift anything up. So whenever you are doing minimal makeup, focusing on the center area of your face is your key. because you don't need as much coverage on the sides, because anyways you'll have blush, bronzer, all of that going on. And also, a tip that I would want to share is that if you have visible smile lines, do not place your concealer directly on those lines. Okay, it will tend to settle in your lines and you don't want that. So you stretch the product, you place it somewhere here which is tucked in and not very visible, and then you stretch the product towards covering your smile lines. That way, by the time you reach here, you have very small amount of product on your brush and it is not going to settle and crease. It's not going to settle into your fine lines and any kind of, nooks and crannies. So you can see I'm just dabbing it and this has given me full coverage. So how you bounce your beauty blender in place, that's the same technique with your brush. You just bounce it in the same area to give you a very flawless blend, and just merge any harsh lines that you may see. So you can see 5.5 is a perfect match for my skin tone. There is no difference in the color of my ears and my neck. So if you're looking for a concealer that matches you perfectly, you are all set. You don't even need a foundation to go over it, because you have built the perfect even toned skin color for yourself with just a concealer. So I've been very kindly gifted a beautiful lipstick by a friend who lives in Sweden. I'm sure if you are traveling around Sweden, or if you have access to this beauty brand, this is called Beauty Act by Kicks. The best part about this brand is that it is dermatologically tested. It is 100% vegan, absolutely cruelty free, and also fragrance free, which absolutely surprised me, because I haven't seen a lipstick that is absolutely fragrance free. I can sense that this is a very long lasting lipstick in spite of being a very creamy, easy to wear formulation. So let's quickly try this. This is in the color Red Carpet, and this is how the packaging looks like. Absolutely luxe packaging and very beautiful. This packaging reminds me of Urban Decay packaging, that kind of a chrome finish gunmetal look. This is the color. Let's try it on and see how it looks on the lips. First off, I would like to blot off any lip balm from my lips that I may have. It's a red, but I'm daring to not use a lip liner with it. One swipe pigmentation. This is such a beautiful, true, it's not true, it's more cool toned, and I love cool toned reds. What I'm going to do is do the French method of doing a red lip. I'm going to blur the edges. And whatever is left on my finger, I'm going to use as my cheek color. French women are known to do this. Whatever is on your lips, is also on your cheeks, making the look so much more cohesive, easy, effortless, and wearable. I'm going to pick up a little more for my nose and place it a little bit on the bridge of my nose and a little on my forehead and also my chin. This is supremely pigmented, guys. A little goes a very, very long way. So I wish I could get more shades of this here in India. I don't know if they ship here, but if you're traveling around Sweden, you might find this and you must check this out. I am in love with this color. I absolutely adore red. I'm a red lipstick lover. I'm going to build it up and see how it looks. You know, it has a very serum-like texture, almost looks very latex-like, if you know what I mean. It has a very vinyl latexy look. Of course, it's not transfer proof because it's good for your skin. It's not tested on animals, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, and the formulation is very lightweight. I don't feel I have anything on my lips, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to add a little more blush. Especially on the cheeks, the glow that it has is is coming out very beautifully because the lipstick is very glowy. I'm also going to do a light blot and see how it becomes, how it looks if I, try to do the French technique of La Bouche Mordu effect of, a very kissed lip look. One more time. So if you're scared of a red lip, you could try wearing a red lip like this, smudge it and then blot it so the color is not as um, scary, okay? It looks absolutely stunning. There's an itch around my nose. Going in with a little bit of brightness, just a tiny, teeny bit under my eyes. I'm going to place one dot here, one dot here, and go in with my brush a little more and stretch it. Just tapping it there, taking it a little in the corner of my eyes. And there you have it, a very French girl makeup look. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bisous.